Pyspiders in November 2022. It is a very good place to get technical skills, and I have got wonderful teachers, Irshan sir and Rahul sir. I gained very good knowledge from them, and it was very useful in cracking the interviews. I would like to thank Irshan sir, Rahul sir, Sharik sir, Syed sir, Lavanya Kumar sir for giving me such an ample of knowledge. Here, Pyspiders is a very good platform for you to crack coding. So I would really recommend to join Pyspiders. And my designation, which I acquired cracking the interview, is software engineer. Even if I was in a different field and working as an assistant professor, it is a really good place which I got, or platform I got, to crack the interview and change my field to IT. So my package is 4 LPA, and thank you for offering me such a good opportunity. Thank you.